Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hard reset, also known as a factory reset, your Apple iPhone 17 on a Windows computer. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's jump right into it. So I'm going to show you two ways so you can hard reset, also known as a factory reset, your iPhone. First, I'll show you how to do it through the settings, and then I'll show you how to do it with a Windows computer, okay? So that in the event that you have a password, okay, and you can't get into the phone, and you only have a Windows computer, you'll be able to bypass this and reset it back to factory settings. All right, so first I'm going to show you how to do it through the settings. So find your settings. In settings, you're going to go down to general. In general, you're going to scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone. Okay, here, the bottom option is going to say erase all content and settings. This is the one we're going to select. Okay, here it's just going to let you know that everything will be erased on your phone. So I suggest that if there is anything that you do want to keep, back it up first before you do this, because this is going to erase everything on your phone completely back to its factory condition. Once you're ready, hit continue, hit erase iPhone. It's going to ask you for the password for your iPhone if you have one. And once you enter it, the reset process will begin. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to do it in the event that you have a password or you've entered in the password wrong too many times and the phone is disabled or unavailable like this. I'm going to show you how to do it now so that we can bypass this. Okay, so in order to do this method, you're going to need two things. You're going to need to have iTunes downloaded on your Windows computer. I'm going to have a link in the description of the video that will take you directly to the iTunes download for Windows. And the other thing you're going to need is you're going to need a USB Type-C cable to connect to your Windows computer. Okay, so let's go ahead and connect the iPhone. Okay, there you go. Okay, so after you downloaded and installed iTunes on your Windows computer, these are the steps that we are going to take. So first off, we're going to shut down the iPhone. And then once the iPhone shuts off, we're going to press and hold volume up and the power lock button or Siri button. We're going to hold them both together until the iPhone enters restore mode. Okay, so let's go ahead and power the iPhone first off. So how we do that is volume down and the power lock button. Okay, once you get the slide to power off up here, go ahead and slide to power off. Okay, give it a few seconds. Let the phone completely shut down and power off. All right, so once your iPhone is completely powered off, we're gonna go ahead and press and hold volume up and the power lock button at the same time. So let's go ahead and do that now. And then once you see the restore mode appear, you can release. There you go. So once you see that, you can go ahead and release. Okay, and we're going to get this message here on your Windows computer. Okay, it's going to say there's a problem with the iPhone that requires it to be updated or restored. So this is perfect. And now we just go ahead and hit restore here. Restore and update. Okay, it's going to give you a bunch of terms and conditions to agree. Hit next. Agree. Okay, and now this part is going to take a few minutes because it is going to download the latest iOS software for your iPhone. So as you can see here, it says downloading software, 18 minutes remaining. So we're just going to give it some time and allow it to completely finish downloading the iPhone software update. All right, so as we can see, the iPhone software just finished downloading. And now it's processing file, as you can see here. All right, so this is something that will probably happen to you as well. So since the download process for the iPhone software takes so long, your iPhone may get out of restore mode. So all we got to do is just put it back into restore mode so that the reset process can continue. So as you can see, the phone just turned on. That means it's out of restore mode. So let's follow the steps once again. Let's go ahead and power it off first. Slide to power off. Okay, and then once it's completely off, after a few seconds, 10 to 50 seconds, we can turn it back on with volume up and power lock button. So hold them both, and there you go. Once you see restore mode, let go. And then here on your Windows computer, it's gonna once again give you this pop-up box saying that there's a problem with the iPhone that requires it to be updated or restored. Go ahead and hit restore here. Okay, here, go ahead and hit restore and update. Next, agree. All right, there we go. So after it's finished downloading, it's gonna move on to this next step, which is extracting software. And now we just gotta wait for the loading bar to finish loading all the way through. All right, so as we can see, now it's preparing iPhone for restore. And as you can see here on the iPhone, we have the Apple logo with a loading bar. So that means that the process is in full mode. So we just gotta wait for the loading bar to go all the way through. And here on the computer, restoring iPhone firmware. So here on the computer, you're gonna see a couple different steps, a couple different loading bars go all the way through. And yeah, after a couple different loading bars, the reset process will be complete. All right, so here on the computer, it is verifying iPhone restore. And as you can see on the iPhone, the loading bar is almost all the way through. So this means that the reset process is almost complete. All right, there we go. So after verifying iPhone restore, you're gonna get this message, which means that your iPhone has been completely factory reset. So there we go. Once you see that, the reset process is complete. We just got to give it a couple more seconds now, maybe a minute or two, for the iPhone to go through one more loading bar and for it to boot back on. So as you can see here, we have that final loading bar on the iPhone. This one will be pretty quick because the reset process is now complete. All right, there you go. So once you see this screen, we can go ahead and disconnect the iPhone here. And yeah, we are good to go. So let's swipe up. And as you can see, we are at the initial setup of the device here. So all we got to do is go through all of these steps to get it set up and running again. So yep, there you go. That is how you factory reset, also known as hard reset, your Apple iPhone 17 on a Windows computer. Go ahead and destroy that like button if this video helped you out, and comment down below and let me know if it did. So that's all for this video. Catch you in the next one. As always, peace.